Clove water is a simple yet powerful infusion made by soaking cloves in water. Cloves are tiny but mighty spice buds derived from the Syzygium aromaticum tree, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Boosts immunity. Clove water is rich in antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that help strengthen the immune system. It fights harmful bacteria and viruses, reducing the risk of infections and common illnesses like colds and flu. Aids digestion. If you suffer from bloating, gas, or indigestion, clove water can be a natural remedy. Cloves stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, improve gut health, and relieve issues like acidity and constipation. Supports oral health. Cloves have strong antibacterial properties that help maintain oral hygiene. Drinking clove water can reduce bad breath, fight oral bacteria, and soothe gum pain and toothaches. It is often used in mouthwashes and toothpaste for its effectiveness. Regulates blood sugar levels. Clove water is beneficial for people with diabetes as it helps regulate blood sugar levels. The compounds in cloves improve insulin function, which aids in better glucose control. Improves respiratory health. Clove water is known for its ability to clear mucus and relieve symptoms of coughs, asthma, and other respiratory issues. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help soothe the throat and promote easier breathing. Enhances liver function. The antioxidants in cloves help detoxify the liver by reducing oxidative stress. Regular consumption of clove water may promote liver health, improve metabolism, and aid in the elimination of toxins from the body. Promotes weight loss. Clove water boosts metabolism and improves digestion, both of which contribute to weight loss. It helps in breaking down excess fat, making it a great addition to a balanced diet for those looking to shed extra pounds. Reduces joint pain and inflammation. Cloves have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce joint pain and muscle soreness. Drinking clove water can be beneficial for individuals suffering from arthritis, as it helps in reducing swelling and discomfort. Supports skin health. Clove water is packed with antioxidants that help combat free radicals, reducing acne, blemishes, and signs of aging. Its antibacterial properties also help prevent skin infections and promote a healthy glow. Boosts energy levels. Clove water contains essential nutrients like manganese, which plays a role in energy production. Drinking it in the morning can help you feel refreshed, more energetic, and ready to take on the day. How to make clove water. Making clove water is simple. Take 4 to 5 cloves and soak them in a cup of warm water overnight. Strain the water and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. You can also boil the cloves in water for a few minutes and let it cool before consuming. Clove water is a natural and effective way to improve overall health.